Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than XRP. A lot of things to cover about this. I'm going to share my personal thoughts on this entire situation that's happening, the news that's revolving around XRP, and whether or not this time around it could be different. I've shared in my other videos as to what I personally believe as to what's happening, but we're going to go more into depth today, and we will see what is happening and where I could see the prices of XRP going in the immediate short term. If you guys like XRP content, let me know in the comment section below if you guys want daily coverage, and I will bring you guys just that. So smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, share with the XRP community, and let's get right into it. So if we're looking across the entire market right now, you are seeing a lot of green across the market, and that's mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is breaking out towards the upside. So obviously the entire market is following the price of Bitcoin. But today is the weekend, and we know that weekends could be manipulated, as manipulation can occur as CME futures are closed. So we need to keep that factor in mind. But now let's look further into XRP. So looking at the price of XRP right now, currently sitting at 48 cents, up 1.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're down about 1.4% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it is approaching that $25 billion. I was about to say million. No, not so fast. Billion. Yes, with a B. So $25 billion market cap almost, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $609 million. But now let's shift our focus towards the news that's revolving around XRP. So I wanted to share this article with you guys first, and then we will get more into detail as to what is happening over the globe as far as Ripple is concerned. But you guys can see within the last 3 weeks, these whales have added more than 52 million XRP to their stash. This amount of crypto is worth slightly less than $30 million in the fiat equivalent. These whales seem to be bullish on XRP, the trader stressed. So you guys can see Ali posted this on his Twitter, kind of just showing that whales are coming in. And remember guys, it's not just for XRP that these whales are coming in. It's for the entire space. We're seeing a lot of accumulation, big players starting to accumulate a lot of altcoins, because people are starting to think, especially that China news, there's speculation going on. People are thinking that the month of June and July could be insanely bullish for the entire crypto space. So a lot of whales, if you look at the on-chain data, we are starting to see a lot of people, especially the big players, really accumulating. And not only that, of course, Bitcoin is also making a move towards the upside, potentially because of that news. Who knows? But right now you can see Bitcoin has broken back into the 61.8. If we get back above this level of resistance at 28k mark, 28.7k mark, I think things can start looking quite well. But as far as XRP is concerned, we're going to talk about XRP, what my personal thoughts are, and whether or not I could see XRP setting a new yearly high in the very near future. So before we get into that, guys, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of XRP currently sitting at 47.67 cents mark, we're seeing as the price right now, of course the price of XRP wants to be going towards the upside, but we're seeing some resistance on its way. You can see this for yourself. And but I really do believe that it has what it takes to break out of this level of resistance in the near future, because now excitement levels are increasing once again. Reason being this lawsuit. You guys know this lawsuit that we've been talking about for literally years now, like 2 years almost at this point, which gives me a headache every time I even think about this lawsuit, to be quite frank with you guys. But we're starting to see a lot of people saying, the case has ended. Over the past 5-6 hours now, we're starting to see a lot of people come out and say, this lawsuit has come to an end. Some sort of rumor is going around now. This lawsuit officially is over, and we are about to see XRP officially announced that. We're still waiting for someone credible to come out and say, yes, it's over. Not that, we're headed in the right direction. And this is where I want the XRP community to really wake up. I've said this in my other videos, guys, the amount of fake information that's out there in the public is insane. Like, it's huge, because all these news articles, I've told you guys this in my other updates, they're gonna be going and mixing it up in their own words, and publishing these news articles just to bring in more exposure to their platform. So we need to take everything with a grain of salt, unless we hear from Brad Girlinghouse himself, Ripple tweets it, or someone that is in charge of representing Ripple in this lawsuit were to come out and say, what, it's over. Then let the fireworks begin. But now what we're seeing is, because of this fact, we're starting to see a lot of excitement come in again. A lot of people talking about XRP. Literally everything is about XRP right now. And if we look at Google Trends, you can see this for yourself. Over the past 1 day, worldwide, searches are increasing for XRP. And let's see how it was over the last 30 days. Let's see if we have decreased or we're so over the last 30 days we are still quite high in terms of searches. So that shows people want to search XRP, and people are thinking that this could be coming to an end shortly, and that is causing a lot of excitement, and it speaks for itself, especially when we look at it on the daily time frame in terms of the Google searches that are happening for XRP. I've told you guys this before. I'm straight up. This lawsuit does need to come to an end now or never. And I've said this before. I've literally said it because it's gone too far. It's gone way too far. But again, now with that said, if this were to come to an end at this time, this would be the best thing any XRP holder could ask for. The lawsuit to come to an end around this time. Things can go insane, and especially now that China could potentially unban crypto. Things can really start going insane. But we do need this lawsuit coming to an end. I cannot stress that part enough. Looking at BTC dominance, on the other hand, increasing once again, almost hitting an all-time high yearly high in terms of dominance. But yeah, guys, I really want to see this lawsuit come to an end, to really see the XRP community being fed. You guys deserve it. All the XRP community members, you guys absolutely deserve all the patience, sticking around, and when no one really cared about XRP, so they deserve it. And I want this to come to an end. But come on, like, too many fake news going around right now. Let's not get our hopes up. That's what I want to say. Let's not get our hopes up. But in terms of the price, I like what I'm seeing. The chart is not looking bad at all. Of course, if we do hear more positive news, especially from credible people, we could be expecting XRP really heading back into the 61.8 and start moving towards the upside. You guys know crypto moves up very, very fast. So all eyes on the news. If anything were to change, of course I will keep you guys updated, but let's kind of settle down right now. Let's not get our hopes up too much, because we've heard this over and over again. So that is my current stance on it. But also let me know in the comment section if you guys want daily XRP coverage, and I will go more into depth as to what the news articles are going around this entire case. If you guys want me to deep dive more into the case, let me know down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.